Hi Vitality Kitchen. Today we're making a roasted fall harvest vegetable recipe. This is great in that you get to incorporate lots of in-season produce. Let's get started. You will need a pound of Brussels sprouts, a small sweet potato, a Fuji apple, a pear, 3/4 cup of butternut squash, half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2½ tablespoons of coconut oil melted, a 1/3 cup of toasted pecans, and a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. This is going to go into a 425-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. After it cooks, we're going to top it with the toasted pecans and the dried cranberries. Enjoy!